Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So determine if this series will converge or if it will diverge. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we're going to start out with n to the power 3 being less than or equal to this thing here. By right, n to the power 3 will be strictly less than this thing here, but we do have the right to use less than or equal to. So the idea is that we start out with this, and then slowly morph this into this. So you see what I mean later. So we are trying to determine if this thing will converge or if it will diverge. Start out with n to the power 3 being less than or equal to this thing here. So square root of x looks something like this. So if you square root this and then you square root this, then you can say that this thing here would be less than or equal to this thing here. So for example, if you have 4 is less than or equal to 9. So if you square root both sides, then you can say that the square root of this would be less than or equal to this. So currently we are here at the moment. So if you square root both sides, then this thing here will be bigger or equal to this thing here. And then now just remember that this bubble here will be less than or equal to this bubble here. So now if you take the reciprocal of both sides, so if you take the reciprocal of this, hang on, and then for this one here, take the reciprocal of this. Now remember, this is less than this. So it's like me saying this number here is less than this number here. So when you take the reciprocal, you can see that this will be bigger or equal to this thing here. It switches signs. So here's the denominator here is smaller or equal to this one here. So this must be bigger or equal to this thing here. Think about it. Okay, so this thing here will then become this, and then now you can see that this is this thing here. We're slowly morphing it into this thing here. Okay, so hang on. So we are here at the moment. So now we can conclude that, well, the summation of this whole thing here must be bigger or equal to the summation of this whole thing here. And then this here we know, because this the p here is bigger than 1, so we know for sure that this is going to converge. Well, this being bigger or equal to this thing here must also converge. Remember, this is bigger or equal to 0 because n is always above 0. So well, we know this is going to converge. Therefore, this will have no choice but also to converge. Okay.